Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of these spring rolls. These are crispy vegetable spring rolls you can get from Costco, and it comes with a double pack. So these are on sale. And take a look at the ingredients if you guys want to read it. Pause the video. There we go. And here's the nutrient panel. If you want to read this, pause the video. Okay. Let's open this up. Alright, check this out. This is what it looks like. We're gonna have a new packaging soon, as it says. That's kind of cool. Oh, they got gyoza dumplings. Check that out. Alright, that's what they look like. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer and cook it up. And I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned. Alright guys, there it is. The spring rolls are all done. There we go. They got pretty good flavor, and it's really crispy with the air fryer, as you can see. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.